Hi everyone, Nerdy Hillbilly here, and today I am unboxing another 5K medal. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I went to the mailbox and this package came from Virtual Run Challenge. And my mother and I did another 5K just recently. And let's see here. And I just found out the other day that, we beat our time when we did Mount Rushmore. I guess we beat it. So here's my bib, number 693. Oh, it came with a face mask this time. Oh, that's cool. Oh, nice. That's cool. And of course, it's Revenge of the Birds. Another Virtual Run Challenge sticker. Don't need it. And here's the medal. Holy crap, this thing's bigger than the friggin' Mount Rushmore medal. Let's open it. Alright, let's see. Okay. So see here, it's a, look at this medal. And it spins too. Revenge of the Birds. Turkey Trot 5K. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. I might do one more 5K, but I'm doing it in December. This was a Thanksgiving related one. And I will do one Christmas related one. I believe I have made my decision, and I have to wait a week until I'm allowed to register and do it. The 5K is called the Nakatomi Plaza Run 5K, and obviously it's a reference to the Die Hard movies, which for the past few years have been a constant debate if it is a Christmas movie or not. But I'm gonna do that 5K, and hopefully, like this time, I will be victorious. Alright everyone, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see any more Nerdy Hillbilly videos. And I'll see y'all later. Bye!
Hey everyone, Nerdy Hillbilly here, and the holidays are just around the corner. So how about you hop over to chaosandclassdesigns.com and pick out something nice for the loved one in your life. And while you're at it, put in the promotion code NerdyHillbillyFS and get a free Nerdy Hillbilly gift today.